All right, so this problem wants us to use the quadratic formula. So remember that is going to be x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all divided by 2a. So when I have it written in this form, a is going to equal 1. That's the coefficient of the x squared term. B is the coefficient of the x term, which is 4. And c is the coefficient of the non-x term, which is negative 7. So let's plug all this in and see what happens. So negative b is negative 4 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 4 squared, minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2a. And now we'll just start working through this. X is going to equal negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 16. This is 4 and 7 is 28, so 16 plus 28, all divided by 2. This is going to be x equals negative 4 plus or minus the square root of, let's see, 16 plus 28. That's 44, all divided by 2. Now, to reduce the radical 44, we have to think, is there a perfect square that goes into 44? And there is. That's the number 4. So square root of 44 is going to be the square root of 4 times the square root of 11. You split that up into two pieces. Square root of 4 then becomes 2, and that's root 11. So that's how we reduce that radical. So this now becomes x equals negative 4 plus or minus 2 root 11 over 2. And then all these are divisible by 2. So that 2 cancels out that and cancels that to a negative 2. So this becomes x equals 2 plus or minus the square root of 11. So it was nice that the fact that negative 4, 2, and 2 are all divisible by 2. You could factor a 2 out and cancel it. And so we have two answers from here now. One is 2 plus square root 11 or 2 minus square root 11. So when you write your solution set, you can do 2 plus square root 11, comma, 2 minus square root 11. There's your solution.